Hey, I'm Elric and Buddy here on Tech of Tomorrow. Did you guys know the sun is just a giant candle in the sky? Well anyways, we're here with part 3 of the $1,500 gaming build. So did you guys enjoy that prawn? I bet you did. Now go wash your hands. Now check it out. Like we said, this is part 3 of this $1,500 gaming build. And now we're going to bring you guys all the performance results. So with that said, let's rock out with our Spock out to the new benchmark song. All right, folks, so here we have it. First up, Geekbench 64-bit with a score of 15,594. Then we have Cinebench 11.5. We have 2 scores. OpenGL 74.83 frames per second and CPU at 6.72. For you gamers out there, this is a very popular game. Bioshock Infinite at 1080p, full DirectX 11 and ultra settings, 105.15 average frames per second. That is kicking ass. Far Cry 3, once again, 1080p high settings, 2x MSAA, 70 to 80 average frames per second. Next up, we have the revamped Tomb Raider. This one is also at 1080p at the ultra settings, 101.8 average frames per second. This next game is actually performance savvy, more towards NVIDIA cards. It's an NVIDIA based game, and this is Metro Last Light. We ran this one at 1080p, high quality with AF set at 4x, and this one got 70 average frames per second. Now the last game up, Battlefield 3. Me and my kid played the shit out of this game. This one was once again played at 1080p, ultra settings, and 78 average frames per second. Not bad, folks. So there you have it. The system, a nice little prawn, the performance scores. Now check this out. We also overclocked this system to 4.0 gigahertz, and we're using strictly air cooling. Now, if you guys want to change the system out in the future when you get it and it belongs to you, you guys can do whatever you want, but we're getting really, really good overclocking using just air cooling. Now, also, if any of you folks out there happen to miss video number 1, it's right over here to this side. Video 2 is right over to this side. And everything about this, all the parts, everything else will be down underneath that like button, which I know you're going to kung fu hit, kick, and punch to make sure that you know that we know you appreciate us. Also, we're going to be having one more vid coming out very soon about this, and that's the vid on how you guys can actually win the system. So, like always, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subbed, hey, you want to make sure you do so. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on all the great contest and content we have going on over here at Tech of Tomorrow. Me and Buddy say, sayonara.